Dangerous honey and cinnamon face mask side effects worth knowing. In this video, you will learn about honey and cinnamon face mask side effects and why you need to be careful when using both ingredients on your skin regularly. Previously, we talked about the benefits of using honey and cinnamon face mask and why you should, but like everything else in life, there are two sides to every story. Note, all video on this channel are for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before using any remedy on your skin or in your body just to be safe. Honey and cinnamon face mask side effects. Honey and cinnamon mask is one of the most effective home remedies to get rid of acne, but what most people don't know is that both ingredients combined can cause skin irritations such as burning sensations and redness of the skin. This is also known as purging, and when it happens, it can take a long time to heal. Side effects of honey face mask. Honey does not really cause any side effects for most people, but it does for some. Research shows that people who are allergic to pollen or bee venom have experienced skin irritation, burning sensation, redness, and swelling after using honey on their skin. It is highly recommended to get a skin patch test or apply a little amount on a small area of your skin first to test for skin reactions before using honey on your skin. Also, leaving honey on your face overnight may attract dust, debris, and aggravate an active breakout. Side effects of cinnamon face mask. Cinnamon usually causes no side effects. That said, when used in large amounts, it may cause skin irritation, redness, dry mouth, lips, and cause skin sores. Note that while cinnamon does have antibacterial properties that can help you get rid of acne, you should always try it on your hand first before applying it to your face. How to prevent side effects from both ingredients. Now that you know the side effects of both ingredients, there are ways to prevent getting symptoms when using honey and cinnamon face mask for acne, skin lightening, blackheads, or pimples, such as using only organic cinnamon and honey. Getting a skin patch test before you do. Applying a little amount on a small area of your hands to test for 5 minutes. Never leave honey and cinnamon face mask on overnight. Never leave honey and cinnamon face mask on your face for more than 30 minutes. Honey and cinnamon face mask recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of Manuka honey, 1 tablespoon of true cinnamon. Preparation and application. Mix both ingredients to form a paste, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and let it cool. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it off with warm water.